Hey everyone! Welcome back to Zenful Living, your space for simple, mindful, and healthy living. Today, we're tackling a topic we all struggle with at some point, junk food cravings. Whether it's chips, chocolate, or soda, these cravings can be tough to resist. But here's the good news. You don't have to completely give up the foods you love. I'm going to share my top 5 junk food alternatives that not only taste amazing, but also nourish your body. So, grab a comfy seat and let's get started. First up, let's talk about chips. Who doesn't love that satisfying crunch? The problem is, regular potato chips are often deep-fried and loaded with unhealthy fats and sodium. Instead, try baked veggie chips. You can buy them at most stores, or better yet, make your own at home. Slice up veggies like sweet potatoes, zucchini, or beets. Toss them with a little olive oil and seasoning, and bake until crispy. They're colorful, crunchy, and packed with nutrients. Another great option is air-popped popcorn. It's naturally low in calories, high in fiber, and you can season it any way you like. Think nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor or a sprinkle of cinnamon for something sweet. Next on the list is soda. Traditional soda is a sugar bomb and offers zero nutritional value. But that doesn't mean you have to give up your fizzy fix. Try sparkling water with a splash of fresh fruit juice or even a few muddled berries. If you're feeling fancy, add some mint or a slice of citrus for a refreshing, mocktail-like vibe. Kombucha is another fantastic alternative. It's fizzy, slightly sweet, and full of probiotics that support gut health. Not only are you cutting out the sugar, but you're also adding something beneficial to your body. Now, let's move on to chocolate. There's nothing wrong with indulging your sweet tooth, but many traditional chocolate bars are packed with added sugar and unhealthy oils. The alternative? Go for dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao. It's rich, satisfying, and full of antioxidants that are actually good for you in moderation. You can also make your own chocolate treats at home. Try melting dark chocolate and dipping in fresh strawberries, banana slices, or even nuts for a decadent but wholesome snack. Ice cream is another fan favorite, especially during those warm summer months. The store-bought versions are often loaded with sugar and cream, but you can whip up a healthier option right in your kitchen. Frozen banana nice cream is a game changer. Just blend frozen bananas until smooth, and you'll get a creamy, ice cream-like texture. Want to switch it up? Add peanut butter, cocoa powder, or a handful of frozen berries for different flavors. Trust me, once you try it, you won't even miss the real thing. And finally, let's talk about pizza. Yes, pizza. It's often seen as a guilty pleasure, but there are so many ways to make it healthier without losing the taste. Start with a whole grain or cauliflower crust, which adds more fiber and fewer empty carbs. For the toppings, load up on fresh veggies like spinach, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Swap regular cheese for part-skim mozzarella or even nutritional yeast if you're feeling adventurous. Not only is homemade pizza healthier, but it's also a fun activity. Get your family or friends involved and make it a pizza night tradition. So there you have it. 5 simple swaps that let you enjoy your favorite junk food flavors in a healthier way. The best part? These alternatives don't feel like sacrifices. They're just as satisfying, if not more so. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and if you have your own healthy hacks, I'd love to hear them too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Zenful Living, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip. Until next time, stay healthy and stay Zenful.